Welcome to the Parenting Plan Checklist on coParenter. You'll need to complete all of the items on the Parenting Plan Checklist to receive your Colorado State Parenting Plan, which will make it easier for you to finish your Child Support Services case. By the time you're done with this process, your Child Support Services case manager will have everything they need to file your case with the court. And in most cases, they'll be able to file your plan free of charge, saving you and your family hundreds of dollars in filing and court fees. The plan you agree to today doesn't have to be your forever plan. Know that it's likely you'll both have requests and changes in the future. The key is to be respectful, be kind, and always put your kids first. To begin, open the app and tap the checklist menu item. If you and your co-parent want to file your plan with the court, you'll need to complete these items. Now, let's walk through each section in the list to get you started. The first section we'll start with is Personal Information. Simply tap the Personal Information checklist item to begin. You'll be asked to enter your and your co-parent's legal name, current address, and contact information. If you don't have this information, you can still continue by tapping the green Next button. As you're filling out this form, please remember that the petitioner is the individual who is initiating the case, or the person who is the first to file. All of your information will be securely stored and will be used to create your Colorado State Parenting Plan, which you'll need to complete if you want it filed with the court. Next, you'll move on to the Add Children section. Enter your children's information one at a time. Start by entering their first and last name. Their birthday will default to the current date. To change that date, tap the date and select the child's birthday on the calendar. You can scroll through the months or shift to another year by tapping the Year drop-down. Select your child's biological gender and enter the address they currently reside at. The names of all of your co-parents will show up at the bottom of the page. Be sure to link the child with the appropriate parent. Let's move on to the Details about the Children section. In this section, you'll be asked information about where the children have been living and whether there have been any protective orders filed against either parent. Please make sure to read each section carefully and fill out each section as accurately as possible. If you don't have all the information required, you can leave the section blank and tap the green Next button. Your case manager will review this section with you and give you another opportunity to make sure the information is accurate and up to date. Next, you'll be asked to enter the decision-making details. On the first page, you'll see some basic parenting agreements. You'll both be asked whether you agree to each item. These are very typical agreements, and all you need to do is move the slider to the right for the sections that you agree to. When you've completed, tap the green Next button to move to the next page. Here you'll be asked whether one parent, both parents, or another party will handle major decision-making responsibilities. When you've completed this section, tap Next on the lower right-hand side. Moving on to the next section is Other Required Terms. In this important section, you and your co-parent will be asked whether you accept certain standard agreements about reasonable access and how future disagreements will be handled in your co-parenting relationship. In the next section, you'll create a holiday schedule. Use this module to select specific holidays that you would like to spend with your children. Tap the holiday that you would like to request and the frequency you'd like to spend it with them. Tap Next and select which children and which co-parent to associate with that holiday. On the next page, you'll be asked to enter the beginning and ending times for that holiday to make sure that both parents have the same understanding and expectation during holidays. Remember that this parenting plan doesn't have to be locked in forever. Your schedule is sure to change as your children get older. Finally, it's time to create a parenting time schedule with the help of a live mediator. Begin the process by selecting the co-parent you're working with and the children associating with that parent. Tap Next, and you'll be prompted to let the mediator know what kind of schedule you're looking to create. This is a great time to let them know about any details that you can provide about what you're looking for in a schedule, including how long the schedule should be in place for, whether this is a general schedule or a summer vacation, or if you have an irregular work schedule. When you and your co-parent have tapped the Next button, your case mediator will be notified and will reach out to you on the app, usually within 48 hours. They will walk you through the process and help you establish a workable schedule which will become part of your Colorado State parenting plan. Once you've completed all of the items in your checklist, your Colorado State parenting plan will be created and uploaded into your Documents folder on your coParenter app, where you can print it, share it, and reference it whenever you need to. Thank you for using the coParenter app to complete your Colorado State parenting plan. If you have any questions about the checklist sections, please contact your Child Support Services case manager. If you have technical questions, contact us at support@coparenter.org.